sir. Welcome and thank you for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here and we are excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's start with a couple of questions.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
So myself Jivan, and I'm representing Skybit over here. So we are into development of indigenous drone components. We want to fill the gaps that is there between OEMs and the supply chain. So we want to fill up that gap and come up with the most advanced components that might be bringing the innovation in the Indian drone industry. So that's what our goal is as of now.
That's nice, sir.
Yeah.
Which products you're showcasing today at Drone Expo 2026?
Yeah. So we have series of products that we are showcasing over here. So we have entire FPV stack, which consists of your flight controllers. Then 4-in-1 ACs are there. Then we have ELRS based receivers as well. And we have one of the first digital VTX system of India that we are planning to launch in a month or so. And we also have the compute unit as well in order to carry out the AI based applications. So this is the current product lineup that we have. So yeah.
That's nice, sir.
Yeah.
In your views, which is your greatest strength that makes you unique from others?
So as of today, we have, so there are different technical capabilities that are required in terms of development of any products. So let's say there is software, then there is hardware design, then there is testing is there. So all of this we have our own in-house capacity to build all of these subsystems. So starting from the designing part, we have our own design team and analysis team to build all of these boards. So once that is done, the software comes into the picture. Considering the security concerns as of now in the defense industry, we build our own softwares with all the secured parameters. Then comes the hardware manufacturing part. We have our own assembly line as well, wherein all the whatever the production quantity might be, we are able to carry out the entire production on our own. So we don't have the dependency on any external vendors also.
That's great, sir.
Yeah.
What message would you like to share for your potential customers, visitors, and the individuals who are exploring your booth?
I would only say if you want to, if you're looking for a trusted vendor or a partner for any sort of drone components, so we are there in terms of tech support as well as in order to build the trust. Of course, do collaborate with us. So we are here to help you, and also of course we want to grow together. I would say whatever the technical capabilities that our products have, so that's an added advantage for us. So I would say just go with us, just try it once, and it would be really helpful for us as well.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
sir. I hope you have a great experience at
Yeah.
Drone Expo 2026.
Yeah.
So we are bringing it again in the month of September at New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Definitely, I'll try to participate in that as well. The response over here is pretty much good, and hopefully, I'll be there at Delhi as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.